In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change from offline mode to online mode in Multiversus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly play the online modes in Multiversus, meaning that you will be able to pair up with a friend of yours and play together against two random people, or you can do 1v1s online. All that you have to do is first go over to game mode. In here, you will get this pop-up. If this is your first time accessing the game modes, you need to enable crossplay for you to be able to access the online game modes. And as soon as you enable it, you will be able to choose between the other and normal game modes. So usually under other, you will have the stuff that you can do alone offline. So you have training, local, and custom game. If you go over to any of these, you will be able to play against bots and set up custom matches. But if we go back to the home screen and we look at the left side instead, we will have normal, which refers to the online modes. So we have 2v2, which they recommend, and then 1v1s, like I described in the beginning of this video. They also have ranked, but it's currently locked during the time that I'm recording this video. But regardless, all that you have to do to change from from offline to online is to choose any of the normal or ranked game modes. So choose either 2v2 or 1v1s. When you select any of these, the game mode will be changed here, and you can go ahead and select play. You will be matched up with someone else or against someone else. Of course, like I said in the beginning of the video, you also have the option to invite someone to your lobby, and if you do, they will be able to play together with you against the other two randoms. So this is all you have to do. Immediately upon loading in, you will be able to customize your fighter, customize the perks, and start playing 2v2 or 1v1 online in Multiversus. I hope I was able to help you on how to change from offline mode to online mode in Multiversus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.